Hey guys, welcome back. Well, today I have for you the first box variation for the July Boxycharm box. But before we get into it, I'm going to go ahead and remind you that Boxycharm is a $21 monthly subscription where you get 4 to 5 full-size items. So if you want any more information on Boxycharm, check out the link in my description below. Now here is a look of what all the items are going to be in the first box variation released. Okay, looking at the products a little closer, we already know we're receiving a 3-piece Luxy breast set with the retail value of $30. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the name of the set. And from Appeal Cosmetics, you have a gel liner. I really like this one. It gives it a nice pop of color, but I believe there's going to be variations on this one. And then from Mod Cosmetics, it's a liquid lipstick, which once again is going to have variation colors as well. And from LMS, you have the Superfoods Vital Veggie Mask. And last but not least, you have the Butter London Natural Goddess Palette. This looks like it's going to be so beautiful. I just can't wait to get my hands on it. Okay guys, that's all I have for you today. As always, I'll continue to keep you updated as I receive information. Remember, don't forget to give me that thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a spoiler. As always, I love you, and I'll catch you in the comments below.